Hello, how is it going, guys? Today I am going to show you how to make a false pocket, also known as a welt pocket or piped pocket. Okay, I hope you like the video, so let's get to it. Let's see the trimmed pocket once more, okay? Known as the trimmed pocket. The pocket M-width, but this time the pocket will be false. No? So for those, we will need three pieces of 10 by 22. Okay? On one of them, in the middle, we will attach interfacing or 25p pellon. So the first thing we will do is here. Let's go to a perimeter, which is not there. Give me your tape, please. Look, there we have a fixed centimeter. Okay? That one. Look, let's do this. Let's mark the center here. On both sides, we mark the center. Okay? Then, from the center, we're going to mark 7 centimeters. Okay? 7 on one side and 7 on the other. Okay? 7 times 2, 14. Ready?
인정할 수밖에 없다.
We do the same on the other side. We must mark on both parts because we need definition of the end. Perfect. Now, in 1, 2, 3. Which side is the false, right, left? Either of the two sides. Either side, correct. So, let's take the left side. From top to bottom, we are going to place the clip. Usually, these clips have to measure 9 centimeters. Perfect. It measures 9 and a little more. But oh well, we'll leave it at 9.5. Okay? So the clip is not visible when sewing. 9.5. Okay? Now from the center of the pinza towards both sides, we're also going to place 7 centimeters. Okay? 7 to one side, 7 to the other side. Okay? This line should be like this. Like this, why? Because here we are going to attach the other piece. So when you attach this piece, this part, the flap must be facing down. In other words, what will be visible should be facing down, not up. Remember, this is not going to go like this. It will go like this. So we do this. Look at the center. We place it right here in the center over the 9.5 we marked earlier. See how this lines up with this as well. But we check that the stitching is also going over the mark we made of 9.5 downwards. Okay? There. Okay, so we're going to start sewing over the seam. Okay, over the seam. Here, there, we go over the seam. Look. And done. So, slowly. Let's do it right here, where we have the label. Okay? Now the next thing we are going to do, guys, leave this in the middle. We are going to place the other piece below. Here. Look, here. We place this piece below, in the center. Then we turn here. 1 centimeter from the seam upwards. 1, mark 1, mark 1. 1 until finished. Okay? Now when we have marked, we are going to sew on the bottom part from the label. We are not going to sew right with the label from the bottom part. There. That's so slowly. Now this dot, send it to the side, over here. Ready. Once we have done the stitching, we do this. Look here. We are going to cut diagonally here in Y without touching the stitching at all. Okay? Look. He's very confident. He's also on the other side. Okay, covering the corners without touching the seam.
What?
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
regardless of that seam at all. Then here we are going to do the same thing. There. Now normally what we do is send this inward and that's it. But if you want to perfect the finish, I always recommend ironing before doing the next task. Okay?
Let's iron this part.
For the big notebook, normally in the previous videos I have recorded, well, I always tend to sew here, but this time I'm going to show you how to make this pocket without sewing at all. The only sewing we'll do is the fastening stitch. So for that we need to measure another piece and we're going to put it below. When it comes, it will place this piece at the back with the front facing up. Okay, then we place it here, there, and then we are going to do this, move over here and grab this tape. Now this leftover from the V-cut that we made, and we're going to finish it there. Ready? There. Then we do the same with the other side. Just like that. Look, we send this to the other side for the compute. Ready? So guys, now we're going to attach from the inside.
So how are we going
To attach from the inside, let's remember the position we did earlier. So look how we attach it. Look, what we do is, look, we place our hand here and move this inward. We align here. If you see the seam we did before, we're going to give it a slight shine here.
Then please
2
accept this.
minutes
Well done.
about that, the posture. Now let's turn it open. First, how does the pocket look? Look, what I just attached is the bottom part. See how you can already tell I have that part secured. Now let's fix the top part. Super easy. In the same way, we place it here. Look there. Be careful with that, because if you don't sew properly, if you don't sew along the seam like this, it will look bad later. Okay? So you need to align it well. You must sew along the seam of general movement. Okay?